Alright, the next step is to upload our images. But if you haven't already, you're going to need to use a different tool to shrink them down or compress them down to a web-friendly or a mobile-friendly file size. We recommend uploading nothing larger than a meg, but really doing your best to keep it down in the 700 to 800 kilobytes. That way you get a really snappy performance and things are going to load faster and look better. And keeping the resolution still up to 2048 is going to guarantee that your images do stay sharp and crisp on a Retina display. On the new iPads, they get pretty big. If you're concerned about giving your customers this large of a digital file, we all know that as soon as you put a digital file online or on any screen, somebody can take a screenshot. For this reason, we go into I explain the whole process of how our customers are using Sticky Albums to grow their business. The key thing is to save the Sticky Album until at the end of the order session. So be sure to watch the link below if you're still concerned about that. Okay, so let's get started on resizing our images. There's a number of ways you can do it. Use the tool you're most comfortable with, whether it's Lightroom or Picasa. We found that Photoshop is giving us the best results. So to do that, go and open up Photoshop and under Scripts, open up the image processor. Alright, once I have all of the images that I want to use in the Sticky Album separated out into its own folder, I simply browse to that folder and select it. And then I create another folder and I call it Sticky Album 2048 within that same file folder. Make sure both of these boxes are checked and set both the width and height to 2048 and the quality to 8. We've experimented with the different combinations and this seems to work really well to give you really good quality as well as a small file size. And you simply push run. Alright, it looks like Photoshop is done running its magic, and you can see that it's resized them down to 2048 longest edge, whether it's landscape or portrait. And it's also done a great job of compressing the file size down while still maintaining clarity and sharpness. So with that done, I can simply select the images I want, and you can make that selection by clicking one and holding Shift and selecting the last one, and it'll grab all of it. And you can click and simply drag right into the Sticky Album Builder, and it'll start uploading automatically. Alright, looks like all 10 of those images have uploaded, and go ahead and click Continue to the next step.